Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crosshair X if it's not working. As the first step, go ahead and open up Epic Games or Steam. Okay, go ahead and find Crosshair X and make sure that it is fully stopped. Okay, and once that's done, just right click on it, go to Properties. Now go ahead and go to General, and under Launch option, make sure that it is set to Ask when starting game. Okay, now close this one, click on Launch right here. Now go ahead and select the option Launch in Safe Mode. Click on Play. Wait for it. And once it loads, go ahead and find the menu. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead and go to Options right here. Go to Hardware Acceleration and just turn it off. Okay. Turn it off. It will ask you to restart the app. So just go ahead and click on Restart the app. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Okay. So if it's still not working, make sure that you toggle it on. Go ahead over to display modes right here if you're just using the simple overlay mode and not the game bar mode. So just click on this option. As you can see here, we have the Crosshair X. Okay, it's fully working. And under visibility, make sure that the toggle is turned on. You can use the toggle keys right here or just click on this section. Okay, Shift-Alt+Z. There you go. Now go ahead and open up your game and make sure, okay, that your game is set to what? Under the display mode, go ahead and use windowed full screen or windowed mode right here. Okay, so if you want to use full screen, make sure that you use under Crosshair X, make sure that you use right here, we have game bar mode. Use this option instead if you want to play on full screen. Okay, Windows+G right here, pin it, tap away, and here we have it. All right, that's basically it. That's how you fix Crosshair X if it's not working. Now, another option to fix that is by going to the Steam app, go to Library, stop it, confirm, okay, or Epic Games do the same. Right click on it, Properties, Installed Files, and just click on Verify Integrity of Software Files or Game Files. Okay, click on it. Wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, it should work now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.